going to.
Laro. Hindi libre, oh. Big time.
Libre. Ay.
Saan punta? Saan punta, kuya? Saan nga ni? Kaya yun.
Mommy is asking you a question and you're not asking.
Kasi yan si kuya mo.
Also, Mama email.
Saan punta, Maru? Saan punta, Saru?
Chinese.
Chinese Star? Anong gagawin mo doon?
Maroon.
Brr!
May ano na building?
Oo.
On the UFO.
Ano? Oh.
Sabi.
Lamig.
Water. The rain is falling.
Di yan. May blue ulap. Ngayon pa aeroplano pa nga eh. Oh.
Oo, sabi ko kasi sa'yo. Wala lang, sinabi ko lang.
No.
This is the airplane. You saw an airplane earlier, right?
But I
Kita
have people. Do I have people?
Ano yung tsura ko dyan?
Maganda. Oh. Ganda. Dito tayo, Maru, saan? Chinese.
Chichi.
Chichi.
Kami.
Mm.
Look, I see the thunder there, but wala na.
The thunder there.
And there's
Sorry, nauna na. Ito gusto mo. Iuwi mo. Ang layo mo na.
Sabi mo doon.
Ay, dito pa.
Masya na ba sa atin siya?
Isa lang, mamaya. Huwag na lang masyadong manudin. Ah, pili na. Anong gusto mo ta?
Mami!
Ano?
Isang ano na lang natin.
Kaya nga, which one? Oh, daddy, ikaw maglagay. Ate, anong gusto mo?
At ano gusto mo? Ikaw maglagay. Pili lang yung gusto mo.
Pili nga ni.
Pili naman yun. Ito
Oo.
marami. Dito may mga beef dito ate. Kung gusto mo lagyan ng noodles, ito. May pang ramen. Basta ano kukunin mo nun?
Yeah, guys, my mommy is
Meron palang ganun.
basher mami ko, guys. Daddy, isang noodles. Ate, slice beef. Anong gusto mo? May hot. Ano? Sabi mo. May kaming drinks. Saru, what you want? Yeah. Oh. Sama mo si Ate Keisha, dali. Cheng, neneng. Cheng. What you want, Trends?
This.
That one? What is that? A cola? Ate, pili na.
Can you
Pili na.
Can you pay?
Yes, we will pay now. Wow, happy birthday. Oh, yun na lang. Thank you.
Mama, me because I make this.
Ikaw nagsabi kay Daddy? Ay, si Maru pala nagsabi kay Daddy. Ay, ano nangyari?
Ang dami niya.
Dami. Wag mo na i-ano, Daddy, pag sabay-sabay.
Yay, cookies.
Nuggets. Fried rice.
Oh, sarap. Pinaul.
Ate, ayan mo nga. O, yan na yung order niyo, ate. Sana all. Salamat po.
Thank
Thank you, Maru.
you, kuya.
dahan.
Ay, wala siyang pinigil.
Sus, ang food body.
Magkama na naman kami.
Kain na naman. Asus, ang mamailin. Asus, ang mamailin.
Ayaw pa sa bahay.
Parang mas na-enjoy ko siya ngayon na ano. Matikman ko lahat. Thank you, Daddy. Ay, thank you, Kuya Maru. You're the one who tell to Daddy.
Hindi na mainit.
Masarap to. Water daw. Asus, asus ang food body. Wow, ang galing naman. Ang galing naman ni Charu.
Ah.
Mag-lecture tayo, mabilis din. Patong mo na.
Kain muna kami. Ano, Soro, ang galing ah. Galing ni Kuya. Thank you, Kuya.
Kuya, thank you.
You pay for this?
Yeah.
Daddy pay, but I tell to Daddy.
Ah, you tell to Daddy. Ah, okay. Ayan na, nakabidyo na. So, thank you, Honggor. Ulo, ba't nagde-thank you? Thank you, sponsor, Honggor May.
Kuya, thank you, Kuya.
Thank you, Kuya. Tapos na. Oh. Huh?
Ano yun? Sa TikTok na yan eh. Wala ka lang din.
Uwi na kami. Finish. Hindi kami makalabas kasi umuulan. Ang lakas ng ulan. Parang dito to ah. Papi Pig.
Daddy Poppy. Daddy Poppy. Daddy Poppy. Daddy Poppy. Daddy Poppy. Picture Dad. Dad, it's look, Dad, they have red. Yes,
It's video.
yes, video. Raining. It's raining. Dad, I'll picture the rain. I'll picture the rain. I'll picture the rain. Oh, raining oh. Raining oh. Raining. Paa?
Kiss me. Ay, what are you filming?
I'm making a...
You're making a vlog? Can I,
You know,
can I be seen in your vlog? Hi, vlog.
You know, I see the rain. I pictured the rain.
You pictured the rain? Can I
Yes.
see?
You know, I pictured from there.
Can I see? Later? You pick it like you do it like this. Oh? You see? You have to like hold the phone. You need to hold it steady. Like that?
Yes.
Oh, hold it. Can you hold it please? Steady? Do not. And then we'll film the. Wow. Okay, we'll film it slowly. You walk. Okay. Slowly. So that it will be steady. We will vlog mommy. Halika na. Bibidyo.
Wait.
Nice and Steady. Like this.
I see the rain.
Yeah, it's raining now. Ay, pa more. Abutan ng ulan. Gani, hindi makauwi.
Mommy, look.
Ito naman, tuwa sa ulan.
First time yun nakakita ng ulan, siguro.
Oo, ngani.
Mommy, what?
Tuloy kami
Sa
makauwi.
bakasyon ba walang ulan?
Now.
What?
Mommy, before.
Tita Hilin!
Mama, Helen.
Biglang napab... May taxi nga kanina eh.
Mommy, the water.
Kung tuwa sa ulan eh, kala eh. Si Isay tsaka si Gaita. Man eh. Nabutan pang ulan. Like the rain?
Yeah. Circles. Flat. Mommy, there's so much flat here.
Magpayong kayo.
Mommy, too much flat.
Malapit na kami sa ba. Naulanan pa.
Flat. Uy.
Thunder. Daldala ng daldala, no? Bilis.
Mommy, on up electric. Uy.
What?
Ate
Bye.
Gasha, thunder.
Ito na yung dalawang bagal.
I'm stuck,
Bye na
Daddy.
kami. What?
Uy.
Oh, bye na.
Ate Gasha, thunder. I don't like this country. Uy.
Bye na.
Run it quick, baby. 호기심은 담겨 like it's clickbait. Don't wait, just stay. Don't you wanna ride with me? 나는 역시 대책 없는 나 느낌. 이 리듬에 몸을 맡겨봐 준비돼. 크게 울려 퍼져 louder every day. 밤새 춤을 추면 너와 나의 밤. 링의 한가운데 주저 말고 가. Run it quick. Bass drop, heart stop. Dance with me, feel the beat, won't stop. Afro Cuban vibes make you move your feet. Heavy metal sounds giving power heat. K-pop rhythm bringing unity. Ready, steady, go now, feel the synergy.